'Twas the week before Christmas, and all through the warehouse all the creatures were stirring, including a mouse. The stockings were hung on the lanes with care, with hopes that a present soon would be there. Then up on the roof there arose such a din, and someone cried out, "Who's that coming in?" "It's Santa," they yelled, "but how could that be? Did he really come down Synetic's chimney?" "Santa, it's early, why are you here?" Then he opened his bag and said, "Look at my gear." There were iPads, MacBooks, and Chromebooks with dents. Some even had gooey gunk on the vents. He said, "I need these made whole. They can't be fixed up at the North Pole." They raced up to Apple and over to Tech. "No worries, St. Nick, it'll only take a sec." The techs worked with fury, no delay or doubt. They were so excited to help Santa out. Soon they were done with his bag big and wide, and he sprang to the door and out to his ride, and they heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night."